Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Ikram Majari and my matrix number A22A0395. Today I would like to share about my internship. Background of industry. Raut District Council is an organisation in the local government or local authority BPT industry whose role is to provide service to the community, manage district development, collect revenue, maintain cleaning, provide public facility and support community development. The Raut District Council was established as a district council under the administration of the Pahang State Government and is responsibility for the administration of the Raut area. The department involved in this study is the Treasury Department. The department has several units such as General Financial Unit, Procurement Unit, Account Unit as well as Asset and Store Management Unit. The General Financial Unit manages financial document and revenue. The Procurement Unit manages purchase document and local order. The Account Unit manages financial record and financial report. While the Asset and Store Management Unit manages office, asset, stock and supply. The main operation activity of the Treasury Department involve revenue collection, payment processing, preparing of payment voucher, procurement management, preparation of budget, financial record, audit, as well as management of financial document. The business environment of Raut District Council involve relationship with the community, supply, contractor, local entrepreneur and other government department. Therefore, the efficiency of the Treasury Department is important because it supports the operation of local organisation, public service and economy. Next, scope of exposure to students. During my industrial training at the Treasury Department of the Raut District Council, I was able to perform the tasks assigned by the industry supervisor with and responsible. Among the tasks performed are compiling payment voucher, updating local order document, managing receipt, preparing financial document, compiling daily collection report, as well as assisting in the management of audit file, asset and storage. Through this assignment, I was able to understanding the actual work process in the financial administration of the local government sector. I also learned how to manage financial document, payment processing, procurement, revenue collection, record keeping and the importance of maintenance in ensuring that each document is complete and organized. In addition, this industry training helped me improve my communication skill, work discipline, time management, collaboration with staff, and responsibility in carrying out tasks. This experience gives me a very full exposure to understand the real world environment and improve my level of professionals. Next, I will talk about contribution to industry company. Throughout the period of industry training, I have shown good achievement through the execution of assigned tasks carefully, disciplined and responsible. I assist the Treasury Department in the management of financial documents such as payment voucher, local order, receipt, daily collection report, audit file, as well as asset and storage document. In addition, I also help to compile and update documents so that they are more organized and easy to refer to by officer. This assignment has an impact of the organisation as it can streamline the department daily work, facilitate the record review process, reduce the workload of officer and support the smooth financial administration operation of the Raut District Council. Next, suggestion for improvement. A relevant improvement proposal for the Raut District Council is to streamline the work system in the Treasury Department, especially in the financial approval process and document management. Among the key recommendations are to use a payment voucher checklist to ensure that each supporting document is complete before process. Introduce a document tracking record system to monitor the status of pending document. Organize financial file more systematically by category, date and type of document, and implement periodic monitoring of pending document. In addition, the procedure for sending document between department and also be standardization so that each unit understand the requirement for document to need to be prepared before an application or payment is processed. Communication between the Treasury Department and other department also need to be improved to reduce daily in optioning confirmation. In addition, information or approval. This recommendation can help reduce work daily, facilitate document review, improve officer efficiency, speed up the financial improvement, and streamline the organization over day-to-day operation. Next, I will talk about challenge of task execution. During my industry training at the Treasury Department of Raut District Council, I was able to identify some challenge and difficulty while performing the assigned tasks. Among the main challenges are managing a large volume of financial documents, ensuring that each document is properly organized, review information in payment voucher, local order receipt and audit file, as well as understanding the work process that involve review, approval and record keeping. These challenges require a high degree of rigor because small error in the organization or review of document can affect the smooth running of the work process. To overcome this challenge, I organize document by category, date and document type, review assignment before handing them over to officer and serve guardian from supervisor and staff when things were unclear. Through this experience, I was able to improve my problem solve, time management, communication, thoroughness, and responsibility skill. I also better understand the importance of systematic work in ensure that the daily operation of the Treasury Department runs smoothly and in an orderly manner. Next, add value in student knowledge. Throughout my industry training, I was able to understand and apply various non-knowledgeable value that are important the real world to work. Among the value option are discipline, responsibility, thoroughness, trust, cooperation, good communication, and time management. These values are applied when performing tasks such as managing financial documents, compiling files, checking records, assisting with administrative work, and dealing with staff in the Treasury Department. This experience that value to my knowledge as I know only learn the technical aspect of the work but also understand the professional attitude that should exist in the organization. Through this training, I become more careful, responsible, and commit in completing assignment. This value can help me become a more dedicated, ethical worker and willing to face the real world to work.